Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a backdrop for your Instagram stories that is using your brand colors. So this could be if you wanted to do some text, if you wanted to save this to your phone so that later on you could always have a solid backdrop and then be able to put some text over top of it. As opposed to having to go in Canva and create the whole thing, the concept and the idea behind this is you create this, you save it into your phone and keep it in a folder, and then whenever you want to post something onto Instagram stories, then you'll have your brand colors exactly to use, because we can't type in a hex color in an Instagram story. So currently the Canva templates do not have the recommended dimensions for an Instagram stories. So what I'm going to do is just put in a custom dimension, and it's 1080 by 1920. And so I'm recording this in the summer of 2018, and that is currently what is the recommended size. So we would just hit design, and then we have our blank slate. So all I'm going to do is go to background, and then I can just pick one of my colors. So say I wanted to have a light pink one, and then maybe I also want to have a dark pink, and I want to have the teal or the green, and maybe a gold, and so on and so forth. So I can create just these blank solid backdrops. Click download. It's going to download them as a PNG. Yep, that is what I want. It's going to download as a zip file, which is fine. So then I'll just download them. Now, to get them to my phone, I use a Mac and an iPhone. So typically what I do is I could just airdrop them to myself, or I can text them to myself using iMessages. You could email them to yourself and then save them to your camera roll on your phone. It's really kind of up to you the best way that you think to get them from your computer to your phone. So yeah, there you go. That's just a quick way that you can create some solid backdrops that you can use later in your Instagram stories that are perfectly with your brand colors. Another thing that you could do here is if you want to use like this this brand, this business uses this marble backdrop, and so we've created a bunch of different templates with the marble. So you could do the same thing literally with your blank slate and upload your whatever your backdrop is that you want. So if we wanted to do a gold or a marble, and then you literally will just make this cover the whole area, and then once you do that, then you would just download it the same exact way, and then you would just have a solid, and then you could put on there your text or your stickers or whatever you want. So just a quick, simple way to kind of help get that brand feel into your Instagram stories, making it more cohesive and more on brand. Alright, so this video played at the very beginning when I was talking, but I just want to show it again so that you can see how I took those solid background images and I've now got them on my phone and I'm uploading them into my Instagram stories, creating the perfect brand colored background to use to overlay some text and a fun little animation. So I hope that you are able to use these and get your Instagram on brand. Share them with me and let me know how it works out for you. Thanks.